Gmmco has component and machine rebuild centers at Nagpur, Hingna and Butibori, Chennai and Kannur. All these facilities are within reach of customers across Gmmco's territory. Component Rebuild Center and Machine Rebuild Center became operational in the year of 1998 and 2014 respectively. These facilities have a total built-up area of 19,000 square meter capacity and capability to rebuild engines, transmission, axles, cylinders, pumps, machines, DG sets, gas and marine engines. The facility also houses a test bench, hose assembly and an SOS lab. The warehouse spans an area of over 1,065 square meter and stocks over 16,000 line items with first peak availability of 90% at all the times. Gmmco workshops are ISO 9001, 14001 and 18001 certified for quality, environment, health and safety management. The workshop is also certified by Caterpillar for 5-star contamination control process. This initiative is aimed to perform repairs in a dust-free environment for ensuring quality, performance and to deliver superior value to our customers.
Talking about contamination control has always been an important part of our processes, which ensures you to get most of out of your machine, reducing the chances of machine downtime. Right from the machine arrival till its dispatch, we strictly adhere to the CC guidelines as per the Caterpillar norms. And we are proud to say that straight 11th year in a row, we have 5-star rated facility as certified by Caterpillar. Thank you.
Work process. Every component and the machine are washed in a high-pressure jet of hot water and use cleaning solution for removing dirt and sludge prior to disassembly. The cleaned assemblies are then taken to the pit and grill area where dismantling takes place. The disassembled components are cleaned and taken to the estimation bay for estimation. Well-trained engineers follow Caterpillar's reuse and salvage guideline process to check specifications of component and its reusability. Non-destructive test is done for cylinder head, crankshaft, connecting rod to check for cracks. Cooler leak test is done to ensure zero leakage. This process helps to optimize repair cost by meeting quality standard and better performance. Electrical Simulator Lab for testing of ECM and harness. The Component Rebuild Center is equipped with electrical lab that is capable of testing of all electrical components, ECM, harness, sensors. Along with the estimation, the technical reports with photos are sent to the customer. All cleaned components are shrink-wrapped. Tubes and hoses are plugged with plastic caps to ensure contamination-free storage. All critical components like crankshaft, camshaft are individually rust-proofed and stored in protected area on dedicated stands. Gmmco's world-class facility has trained engineers capable of carrying out repair of Caterpillar engines, components and machines. The assembly is carried out in strict adherence to Caterpillar norms and guidelines and is done in a dust-free 5-star contamination control zone. We use Caterpillar special tools during assembly to measure specifications with accuracy. These measurements are recorded in assembly check sheet and verified by Quality Control Manager to ensure repair is performed as per quality standards. All hoses and tubes are cleaned with a CAT hose cleaning equipment using projectiles prior to assembly. Kidney looping of oil is carried out to meet ISO specification for cleanliness of lubricants used in assemblies and machine compartment before and after test. Repaired assemblies are tested in a test bench with full load and the performance parameters are adjusted to meet specifications. Similarly, machines are tested with full load for 8 to 10 hours for ensuring best performance when these are put into operations at site. Repaired components and machines are painted using Caterpillar paint in controlled environment for getting best quality and finish. Gmmco's Schedule Oil Sample Lab is equipped with high-tech equipment for testing various parameters of oil and coolant samples. Our lab is NABL ISO IEC 17025-2005 certified for testing process and quality. The lab has an experience of testing over 4 lakh samples of used oil and coolant of your Caterpillar and non-Caterpillar equipment. Well-trained chemists having cumulative experience of over 15 years ensure accuracy of testing and interpretation of test results and guide customers to prevent major failure of their equipment. We test parameters like physical condition, wear elements in samples, and we also maintain trend of your equipment in CAD software for monitoring behavior of your equipment. This testing helps our customers to prevent unexpected failures, extend life of components, and reduces operating cost of the equipment. The hose assembly shops in Chennai and Nagpur are capable of manufacturing permanent coupling and reusable coupling hoses for all Caterpillar equipment. We give utmost importance for protecting the environment. We treat wastewater generated from workshop activity through effluent and sewage treatment plant and reuse treated water for industrial purpose. We train our employees on the use of safety equipment for ensuring safety of men and machine. We do monthly safety audit. Near-miss incidents are recorded and addressed to prevent similar occurrences.
Safety has always been an integral part of our culture.